So I've got a few bits here that look like rolled gold. Now they look like they've got silver in them, or silver gold plated, but there's no markings on any of it. So I'm just going to put them in acid. You can see the silver in there. It's got a bit of weight to it. This one is very heavy. Anyway, we're going to put this in nitric acid and see what we get out of it. Just some random bits of vintage jewellery. I will be getting an XRF machine in the near future, hopefully. So we get that going now, put some heat on, get some water and some nitric and start a boil. So I've just put some water and nitric acid in there now. I'm just going to get a lid on there. I've took the clasps off the necklaces because they've got a little bit of steel in there, a steel spring. It's not vigorous, not yet. Won't be able to see that soon, so it'll all be green or blue, depending on what's in there. That's the acid that's bubbling away, it's not the water because it's not hot enough yet. We'll come back to that. So this is it now, after about half an hour. There's gold specks in there. Still getting a bit of colour there, so I'll leave that going. Until it is totally clear inside, and then we'll add some more nitrate if we have to. Right, so it's all dissolved now. You can see the gold floating on top. Not sure what that white stuff is. It wouldn't be silver. I'm going to filter it now. See if there's any silver in there. And get that little bit of gold out of it, hopefully. So this was a couple of the necklaces that I had. I've got the gold out of it and it's in Acaregia now. And this was the solution that came off of it. I don't think there's any silver in there. I'm not 100% sure. I took a test of it, I put some copper in there and nothing's dropping out. So, let's see. So this is finished dropping out now. Just filtered the Acaregia. So this is finished filtering now. This is gold plated necklaces. That's all finished now. I've washed it through a couple of times. So we'll drop that in a minute and see what's in there. Just added some urea. Add a little bit more. No reaction now, so that's neutralised. Right, we're going to add some sodium metabisulfate now. Let's add the urea. I've mixed some up already. So we're going to add that in there. That's what it should do. It should go white and then after it should go like a browny black colour. There's only a small amount of gold in there, so it'll take a while to change colour. Come back to it in a minute. So that's changing colour now. It looks a bit grey. It doesn't look brown or black. It looks very grey. We'll see tomorrow when it's all fully dropped. It's getting blacker, but I've never seen it go grey first. Could be that I put too much urea. This is a different company I bought the urea from. There you go. 97.5. So I don't know what that 2.5% will be. This one is 99%. Yeah, it's got a lot blacker now. I will see tomorrow. So this is what's left from them gold necklaces. I'm just gonna boil the kettle and let it rinse out. So this is such a small amount, I'm not going to bother refining it again. I'm just going to dry it out, get a weight on it. It's going to be 0.2 of a gram probably. and it'll get refined with other bits of gold later on. So this is that little bit of gold we got from the gold plated necklaces. It's a tiny amount. Don't even know if it'll weigh on my scales. Let's have a look. No, it's not weighing nothing. So it's probably up 0.2. Very small amount. Nothing. I'll try my other scales. Alright, I'm guessing 0.2. Let's have a look. Point 123. Well, that's the smallest refine I've ever done. It was only a couple of necklaces, so. That's it. That was that.